In this video, I will show you how to replace the seals on your probe head and cleaning head for the LCS. A few spare seals are included in your accessory kit by default. For more comprehensive maintenance of the cleaning and probe heads, we offer a service kit containing all the necessary seals. If your device is not functioning properly, checking and replacing these seals is a good starting point. The process is simple and can be done by anyone. Let's start with the probe head. Here we have a total of 3 seals, 2 O-rings at the top and a large silicone seal at the bottom. Let's begin with the O-rings. The larger one can be removed very easily. The smaller one is a bit more difficult. For this, you can use a needle for assistance. If you puncture the O-ring, it cannot be reused. Be careful not to scratch the sealing surface. Make sure the sealing surfaces are clean. Simply install the new O-rings. To replace the silicone seal, we need to loosen the retaining ring. For this, loosen the 2 screws. A suitable tool can be found in your accessory kit. The service kit includes 2 silicone seals with differently sized holes in the center. For the probe head, use the seal with the smaller hole. Again, ensure cleanliness. The kit also includes 2 new screws in case replacements are needed. This completes the maintenance of the probe head. Now, let's move on to the cleaning head. Just like the probe head, it has 3 seals, 2 O-rings at the top and 1 silicone seal at the bottom. Replace the O-rings in the same way as for the probe head, taking care not to damage the sealing surface. This time, remove the silicone seal using a needle. Insert the new seal so that it fits securely. For the tubes, the two small O-rings need to be replaced. You can easily push them together to grip and remove them. It's also a good idea to occasionally inspect the threads. If any threads are damaged and the tube is used, it could also damage the threads in the probe head. Over time, it's better to replace a damaged tube in time to prevent the probe head from being affected. Lastly, the nozzle. Using the two wrenches from the accessory kit, unscrew and disassemble the nozzle. Inside the upper part is a check valve, which we will replace. When installing the new check valve, pay attention to the direction. If the gas comes from here, the valve opens. In the LCS, the gas comes from above, so the valve must be installed in this orientation, with the red ring first. After that, reassemble the nozzle. That's it. This is how you can easily restore your LCS accessories yourself.